Yahweh God wants to heal broken relationships. He wants to heal any hurts or pains anyone has caused you. He wants to forgive you for any hurts you may have caused to anyone else. He wants to restore your relationship with Him. He wants to do so much more in your life. Make plans to come and see what Yahweh can do in and for you. Lifetime Ministry Restoration and Reunion Worship Service this Saturday 5 p.m. February 25, 2023. Located at 2790 County Road 13A South Elkton, Florida 32033. For more information visit www.lifetimeministry.org. Hope to see you at Lifetime Ministry. Music is provided by Mish Conham and Lifetime Ministry Praise Team. Again, for more information visit www.lifetimeministry.org.